Jeremawi, Barat, Period, Christus, Kadamawi, Haile Selassie, Nebranen, Yakan, Masidana. Sasmelonia, Jeremawi, Ethiopia.
Wave them,
so what? So what? Wave the banner, wave the banner. Red, gold, and green. Hosanna, Hosanna. Sing again. Wave the banner, wave the banner.
Okay, yeah,
beauty and glory to show you about the colors of the world. And when you see them, you show too. Man, woman, and all boys and girls. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green is pure and clean. Pure and clean. Red, gold, and green are the colors of the world. Red, gold, and green is pure and clean. Red, gold, and green are the colors of the world.
Okay. All the people who say good over evil, hands in here. Push them on this here. All of Bob Marley, push them up again. All of Jamaica, push them up again. Boy, everybody has sing me song.
Well, this one dedicated to all yard man, whether not in the island or out of the island, but still remember where I'm from. Original Ras Tafari, Joseph Company, take a stand. Dedicated to all yard men.
People may be poor, but there is love for sure. In a Jamaica, my paradise home in which I'm longing to roam. In a Jamaica, I see your streak of poverty, still my people are free. In a Jamaica, so try and be thy brothers and you will see. Oh yeah, yeah.
Cause I'm a proud Jamaican, yes, I'm proud enough to be a yard man. Wanna sing along. Proud Jamaican, yes, I'm proud enough to be a yard man. Well, not you all, they get a stamp, they for me passport. Every day them get up and come and talk about the port. Them the subject and big up the Pope. But all when them attack say to me it is a joke. We go there from plane, we no go there from boat. Them can't treat us like a slave, them can't treat us like a goat.
People may be poor, but there is love for sure. In a Jamaica, my paradise home in which I'm longing to roam. In a Jamaica, I see your streak of poverty, still my people are free. In a Jamaica, so try and be thy brothers and you will see. Oh yeah, yeah.
food ready.
Yo, we no eat them food there.
But see ya,
We no eat that.
I would have man, man.
You no see how me eat that. Sure, I'm tired, man. Man a real Rasta. Me nah yam them day. Them food they no ready. It will swell your belly. Hey, hey, hey.
Been in the kitchen for a long, long time. I cook the food and me now watch the sign.
You know me a Rasta man and certain things me no giant.
The food when me cook, when me find.
Yo, you ready in now your mutton with this wine.
Mix up the pickle and I make it look fine.
You know me's a Rasta man, me nah go join them they crying.
And I know you tell me when me waste me time.
Come to the idol stew.
Baby, me couldn't find it for you.
Mas Benji did they sell Galaloo.
It never ready, just on spray, never do.
So I'm trying at the fridge, you coulda use breakfast in bed. I just do the same. No combo, no burger can hold me. Breakfast in bed. I just do the same. Wanna be good food man, food man. Want to talk one them thing there. Dash a deep all meat there. Sure, sure. So many people dying. They not eat right. No run gonna doctor. A ball feed them try. Hey, hey, hey.
Not because we eat the things what we like, or what we can afford, it really tastes nice.
You know, she say you want give away your life.
But again, the food we used to all we life.
From you see me, you know that me idol, me vital. Breakfast in bed, I just do the same. No combo, no burger can hold me. Breakfast in bed, I just do the same.
Everything cool, Jamaica. Boy, from the day I was born, and the first time I never see a man discover land. We Christopher Columbus be at all and you. Yeah, you this? Christopher Columbus, he come from Spain. So and when he see the ship, then he come out Jamaica. Then he come, then he clean that. He got the cassava and potato and a boss. So he capture Rasta and start to boast, but I say just a Rasta. After what they steal back and go back to Europe, get this ship with the human cargo. Run come work up the clear field and kill out the cassava and potato and a boss. Say capture Rasta. Rasta, sure. Afterward, he turn back to Africa and then him load up the ship with human cargo. Come and kill out the yam and cassava and potato and the little this and that. And a boss, say capture Rasta. And a boss, say capture Rasta. You know, hear this? Afterward, we see them sing feed the barber. Say that them come fi trim up the Rasta. But when me take a stack of Armageddon, them a boast. Say them capture Rasta. No, them cannot boast, but them capture Rasta. If I alone every barber, the barber just drop down fi hungry. If I alone him stomach full of gas. If I alone the barber just choke. Him cannot boast, but so him capture Rasta. Him cannot boast, but so him capture Rasta. Christopher Columbus.
Shuba shuba, shuba shuba day, shuba shuba, shuba 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 day, shuba shuba, shuba shuba day, yeah 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 yeah. Now no real man can live without a woman. Like night to day, says a woman to her man. She's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man. She'll never take the power, she'll just make him a better man. Every great man has a virtuous woman. Woman, you say you love me, you never leave me lonely, yeah. You always be there for me, so I need not to worry, yeah. Woman, to keep my strong, which is part of your plan. I leave my mom and dad, find a woman and be one. With a woman I make my bond, perfect combination. I am a black man, so I love me black woman. Woman, I give me this sweet, sweet love. Oh, oh, any time of day, yeah, lots of kisses and hugs. Oh, I burn out all, yeah, yeah, yeah. No real man can live without a woman. Like night to day, says a woman to her man. She's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man. She'll never take the power, she'll just make him a better man. Every great man has a virtuous woman. Woman I love and honor. The Father I delight, career, your Empress Omega. The Mother Ras Tafari's culture revises to the King and his Empress Menin, who showed us the right and the true way of living. Woman could never cause sin, so listen as I sing. For the women of the earth, my joy bell ring, ring, ring. Equality in Zion, my nature's law, that's where it should go. For every man I know there is a woman. You meet the valley, oh, that's all I know. Oh, yeah. Shuba shuba, shuba shuba day, shuba shuba, shuba 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 day, shuba shuba, shuba shuba day, shuba shuba day, shuba 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 day. Well, I say the family unit is fundamental and important, you know. The real man can't live without a woman, you know. I brought this one right, this one a beautiful woman that I want, you know. There you go, so make so, you know. Now, the real man can live without a woman. Like night to day, says a woman to her man. She's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man. Woman, you say you love me, you never leave me lonely, yeah. You always be there for me, so I need not to worry, yeah. Woman, to keep my strong, which is part of your plan. I leave my mom and dad, find a woman and be one. With a woman I make my bond, perfect combination. I am a black man, so I love me black woman. Woman, I give me this sweet, sweet love.
Traveling through life's long and lonely road, in different places I lay my weary head, knowing I've got to do the right. So in the rough conditions I seek my daily bread. But oh my gosh, what a fight. Even being denied my basic rights. Yeah, but Jack is waiting on the higher side with his tender arms open wide. Yeah, this feeling
Glory be unto the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy One of creation. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in this hour. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah.
When will it cease? When will it cease?
Yes, yeah.
Why can't we all live like birds and bees?
Live in peace, live in peace.
When will it cease?
Woo, 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 woo.
When will it cease?
I ask you,
And we are all leaves of the same tree.
yeah, 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 yeah. Woke up this morning, give thanks for life. A new day is dawning, resplendent and bright. Mother's calling for us to unite. Too much brothers are dying. Stop the war and strife.
It cease. When will it cease?
Yeah, yeah,
Why can't we all live like birds and bees?
yeah, 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 yeah.
When will it cease?
Yeah, yeah,
And we are
yeah.
all leaves of the same tree.
I'm singing for the homeless who've got nowhere to sleep. They haven't got a place to rest, forced to be living on the streets. Almighty Creator, please bless the little much that they eat. Yearning for progress, I pray their souls you'll keep.
When will it cease?
Yeah, yeah,
Why
yeah,
can't we
yeah,
all live like birds and bees?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
When will it cease? When will it cease? And we are all leaves of the same trees.
Fathers are dying, dying. Mothers are crying, crying. Children turn to cocaine. Yeah, yeah. Others are dying, dying. Others are crying, crying. But only Jah can ease the pain. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo, 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 woo.
Why can't we all live like birds and bees?
When will it?
When will it cease?
War and crime, violence and
When
crime.
will it cease?
Why
And we
can't we
are
all?
all leaves of the same tree.
Why can't we? Why can't we? Woo woo woo, woo woo woo, woo woo woo, woo woo woo. Yeah, And you say, why can't we all live like the birds and the bees? I ask you, when will it cease?
upon me to eat up my flesh, they shall all stumble and fail. Some other people never knew me, and yet they wanna slew me, so me give them the treatment as well. You never know the things I know is far ahead of your growth. So take it slow and let it go. The way you felt is into your throat. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth, them spice. From judges of them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness can never take place. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth, them spice. From judges of them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness can never take place. Oh, you take the youth and you go baptize them. Know them now have to go to church and you chastise them. With your smiling face and back by them. Diplomatically always avoid them. Oh, me sister, you know one the youth them fi move a inch. Tighten up the vice grip so when they move a pinch. You always wanna be approved of things, but you no love for yourself and thing. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth them space. From judges to them, no lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness could never take place. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth them space. From judges to them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness could never take place. You tell me say you're smart, element smarter. You want to play your part, but not even a quarter. Disrupt the man, them and answer the data. Make me tell you this, how time is the matter. Yo go yo, we don't know where them checks are. Yo, you could do certain things and get where. Yo, you have to pay for the damage you left there. Or else you live your life again take where. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth them space. From judges to them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness could never take place. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth them space. From judges to them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness could never take place. When the wicked came upon me to eat up my flesh, they shall all stumble and fail. Some other people never knew me, so they come and try to sue me, so me give them the treatment as well. You never know the things I know is far out of your grasp. So take it slow and let it go. The life is at your throat. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth them space. From your dust to them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness could never take place. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth them space. From your justice to them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness could never take place. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, because them occupy the youth them space. From your justice to them, lock out them oxygen. No more wickedness could never take place. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them, them occupy the youth them space. Ooh, 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 ooh. No more wickedness can never take place. Conquer the best of them, dismantle the rest of them.
Traitors, and our sorcerers, and our confederates. Sing, 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 sing. I say the wicked man, we love to fall, and all the righteous man, we love to stand tall. And the wrong man named them buckle, and know them back against the wall, them fall. Say the wicked man, we love to fall, and all the righteous man, we love to stand tall. And the wrong man named them buckle. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. The wicked man shall fall, but the righteous man stand. Yes, we have a chant for repatriation. Black government, black redemption. Emperor Selassie is the almighty one. Emancipation Park, a full time we take us on. Oh, we make we burn Babylon. I say again, say A party of the show name, mad people time. Look, the party of the show name, if your heart isn't clean, don't ever put your hands in the air. If you don't say good over evil, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't respect your mother and your father, don't put your hands in the air. And if you don't respect yourself as a true human being of value that instill the morals and the principle and dash with abnormality, then you can leave Emancipation Park. Would I see 2 hands in the air, please? Mr. Video Man, push the video over there, sir. Who wants to see everybody go, so go, so go. Look at that back. Oh, back. Anybody can jump. Anybody can jump. Now look at that back. Give me a minute. Park sing? Somebody want to hear the punk sing? Okay, ready? Don't change. Something about it.
We don't want no black, we don't want no knife, we don't want no gun down, yeah. We don't want no ghetto youth like a gun down, yeah. We don't want no innocent blood all a run down, yeah. We want the love, the unity and all the fun down, yeah. Them say them can't take the fire where you burn down, yeah. So them can move the dark cloud, they want some sun down, yeah. We no blind and we no deaf and we no dumb down, yeah. Nobody try to take the youth, them feel no bum down, yeah. So let's say yes, I come and that to opposite, no. Money na me pocket and that to opposite, no. We want food when we table and that to opposite, no. When I'm money for the youth, them and that to opposite, I know. Let's say yes, I come and that to opposite, no. Money na me pocket and that to opposite, no. We want food when we table and that to opposite, no. When I'm money for the youth, them and that to opposite. Come black people make we form all a unity. So if we get to you can have an opportunity. Maybe somebody not them community. Me sidestep them and them immunity. Better road and better liberty we want to see. Free education for the youth so that we want to see. Upliftment of black people we want to see. Global love right and know what that me want to see. Yo, better days are coming that we want to see. No, money in our pocket and that we want to see. No, we want food when we table that we want to see. No, but no money for the youth them and that we want to see. Yo, better days are coming that we want to see. No, money in our pocket and that we want to see. No, man want food when we table that we want to see. No, but no money for the youth them and that we want to see. Because me cry for the youth, me teach to the youth. We work very hard and we give to the youth. We preach to the youth, we teach to the youth. Oh, you be hide it, tell the youth them the truth. That's a place that come and that's who I see. No, money now we pocket and that's who I see. No, food when we table and that's who I see. No, no money for the youth, them and that's who I see. I know. That's a place that come and that's who I see. No, money now we pocket and that's who I see. No, man want food when we table and that's who I see. No, no money for the youth, them and that's who I see. We don't want no black, we don't want no knife, we don't want no gun down, yeah. We don't want no ghetto youth life and done down, yeah. We don't want no innocent blood all a run down, yeah. We want the love, the unity and all the fun down, yeah. Them say them can't take the fire where you burn down, yeah. So them fi move the dark cloud, they want some sun down, yeah. We no blind and we no deaf and we no dumb down, yeah. Nobody try to take the youth, them fi no bum down, yeah. So let's say yes, I come and that's who I see. No, money now we pocket and that's who I see. Man want food when we table and that's who I see. Love and no money for the youth, them and that's who I see. I know. Let's say yes, I come and that's who I see. No, money now we pocket and that's who I see. No, man want food when we table and that's who I see. Love and no money for the youth, them and that's who I see. Some black people make we form all a unity. So every ghetto you can have an opportunity. To be somebody not them community. We sidestep the hate and the hypocrisy. Better road and better liberty we want to see. Free education for the youth so that we want to
Ras Tafari, bless us the children of life. We are the flowers in the garden of life. Oh yeah. Now, some of them are going like a them alone rule creation. Some of them are going like a them alone make the thunder roll. I man know Jaja, I hear him flash the lightning. I man know Rasta, make that thunder roll. Oh, 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 oh. How many mountains left to climb before we know man is free man time? How many rivers left to cross before we can talk to the boss? Oh, oh, oh. Now the Rasta man come from Bodra with his garment dipped in blood. Oh yeah, come from Bodra with his garment dipped in blood. Come from Bodra with his garment dipped in blood. Look at that Rasta man, the rubbing red. In my dance style, bing this song and rub so red. Yeah, come from Butter with his garment dipped in blood. Yes, come from Butter with his garment dipped in blood. Yeah. Monday no have no mother, Monday no have no father. The beginning of day, the ending of time. He my creator for all mankind. From Butter with his garment dipped in blood. Yeah. Rastafari. Sila. Love. Esau. You know, I love you from young, so when the whole and graded, you will never forsake I am. You will keep an eye on the way. If I never loved Jaja, I wouldn't wear my naughty dress. Rastafari. Yeah. If I never loved Jaja, I wouldn't wear my naughty dress. If I never loved Jaja, I would have prayed for the land instead. Now that I love Jaja, I have to take in thanks and praises. Now that I love Jaja, I have to love him more each day. Look how the children in Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Look how the children in Jericho mashed down Babylon wall. Look how the children in Dub School, Dub School, Dub School. Look how the children in Dub School mashed down Babylon wall. Oh yeah now, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah now, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, you almost there. Right now. Yeah, man, this song is strange, but it's true, you know. So we are the foundation, the music people. Yes, I. Every day bucket go away. One day the bottom must drop out. Never gonna miss that water until the well runs dry. Well runs dry. Oh yeah. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Never gonna fix that roof till the rain starts to pour. You're never gonna miss that water until the well runs dry. Well runs dry. Oh yeah.
Red, gold and green are the colors